To that.
Yes, please,
This guy
Janet.
is too humble.
Okay.
You know, he's street smart.
Okay.
That I can say.
Yon. He's bugoy.
So,
Pwede siyang
yeah.
kanto boys. Kamukha
Yes.
ng mga gwapong
So,
kanto
hindi
boys.
man a student,
masasabi
masasabi pa rin natin, napaka-street smart naman itong aking husband.
Ah.
That to where he is right now, I believe it was just deserved from all the, hard work and
Of course,
smart, the things you gather along the way, what you call the University of Hard Knocks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I am a energy medicine teacher and facilitator. And what he's saying, passion. No? Kasi sa Pag Holy Week, we talk about passion. Okay? But passion really is your chi or your ki. Ki in Japanese is energy. Okay? Kinikilig pa ba kayo with what you're doing? Okay? Kasi when you have that inner power of energy or universal energy, then things become more stronger in terms of power, of drive, okay? And I really believe, Janet, if you are not smiling with what you're doing, don't do it. Kasi yun yung passion na sinasabi ni Vincent. He's been around, he's had a time when he was supporting a political person, and he has found his niche now as the CEO of establishing an Asian Best Western Premiere here in the Philippines in Taguig City.
Yes.
Anything else you'd like to share, Janet, for the ladies who want to ascend the corporate ladder? Given your marketing background, Janet has been in Home TV Shopping Network.
Yes.
There was a time both of you were in Bacolod doing this for a few years. Can you share what kind of qualities should our young managers and CEOs to be, what should they have?
Exactly what he says. The passion for life, passion for what you're doing. It's the most important, because even if you're just a janitor, I have seen janitors
with
that
the
have
passion.
risen.
Yes.
We have had contractual workers in our office just doing clerical work that are now employees of the bank, that are now rising in their profession. So don't ever think of yourself any lower than what you're doing right now. Just have the passion for it.
And enjoy it.
People will
Enjoy
notice
it.
that. They notice it. And also, I'd like to mention that right now, real estate really is in the boom here in the Philippines. And I've even noticed further that after the inauguration of President Noy, our sales have shot up.
Exactly.
So it's I'd like to say that the economy is actually improving.
Yes,
very much.
that's what I'm hearing. And for those of you, I'm one of the moving spirits of the call center and business processing outsourcing industry in the country because of Senator Ramon June Magsaysay. No? He was the prime author, principal author of the e-commerce law, and I was his consultant at that time. I'd like to encourage our viewers who are in the business processing, who can afford to buy 120 coffees practically every day. Think about the future. Think about laying away something so that you can acquire your real estate, whether it's your first home, whether it's something for the family, whether it's for your business. Because even as Rose Basa, my guest and principal for Philippine Real Estate, said, even a columbary, or when you are laid to rest or you move on to the next life, you need real estate, right? When you till a garden, that's real estate, okay? That's leisure living, you have leisure farms and all that. Well, we have a few minutes to go, so I'd like to give each of you time to address our audience and share your inspirations with them. Can we start with you, Vince?
As I told you, it's really the passion that brings the best of us.
Yes.
Whether you're in other businesses, it's really the passion that will bring you to the top.
In fact, a few years back when the fort was still a military reservation, okay, before the conversion started, I had a chance to teach and facilitate for the military in my capacity as a training director for the country. And I remember our senator, now Congressman Rodolfo Biason, we were trying to craft the training mission and vision of the military, and that was all military buildings. And now we will have the Best Western Premier there, right in front of one of the best hospitals in the country. And we hope to be able to match what Thailand has to offer in Bumrungrad. They attract 400,000 medical tourists a year, and about 10,000 of them get to stay and decide this is where I want to spend the rest of my life. Janet, would you like to address our young ladies and inspire them how to become like you in the Road to Nation building?
Actually, when you talked about medical tourism in Thailand, you know what came to my mind was, actually over here in the Philippines, we have wonderful nurses that I think cannot be compared to anybody
in
else
the world.
in the
Yes,
world.
we're preferred health givers.
Well,
yes.
of course, not only women, but men too.
Yes.
The women have the beauty, of course.
Definitely. The beauty of the Filipina is unparalleled.
Yes,
okay.
I would like to say yes to that. But more so to say that, you know, our economy is improving so much that there is a lot of opportunities also here. It doesn't mean that just because one person was not able to go abroad, that there's nothing that they can find here. I believe right now it starts with just you trying to find a way, a niche to where you are. And from there, if you find the passion in pursuing your goal, you will reach it. You will reach it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're nearing the end of our show. I understand from Vince that they are looking for very experienced, top-of-the-line hoteliers or careers in the hotels, which include front desk, room boys, and cuisine. Okay, we have a minute to go. I just like to encourage all of you, please do come to the Philippine Real Estate Festival at the World Trade Center. The Unibuilt Real Estate Best Western Premier will be there. The Philippine National Bank Special Assets Division will be there. I will be there as your resource director. The admission is free. All those who are involved in tourism, hotel, hospitality, management, business, the admission is free, and we have global speakers to speak about best practices in the industries of tourism, wellness, real estate, and global business in general. I'd like to thank our sponsors, especially Onesimus, who dressed up our male reporters during the President Noy inaugural. You'll find them again in our State of the Nation. And the ladies who were also given outfits by Michelle Lim, I'd like to thank them especially, and I'd like to thank all of you. Stay tuned to the Business Portal. I'm Dean Hernandez for Pinoy Matters. Let's have President Noy and the whole Filipino nation rise above all the challenges, because we are a great people. So until our next time, thank you, Vince, thank you, Janet, and I'll see you again next Thursday. Until then, keep smiling. God loves you. I'm Dean Hernandez. I'll see you again next Thursday. Thank you.